In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export your client list from HoneyBook. Whether you're running a small business or managing numerous clients, having a comprehensive client list can really help streamline your operations. Exporting your client list directly from HoneyBook is a straightforward process, and I'll guide you through each step to ensure you can do it seamlessly. First, you'll want to start by logging into your HoneyBook account. Once you're on the main dashboard, the first thing you'll need to do is navigate your way to the contact section. This is where all your client details are stored, and it'll be the focal point for our task today. You'll find the contacts option usually positioned at the top of the dashboard, allowing you easy access to your entire client database. Now that you've opened up your contacts, the next step is to locate the options menu. For those unfamiliar, the options menu in HoneyBook is represented by 3 dots in the top right corner of the contacts page. Clicking on these 3 dots will reveal a drop-down menu with several options relevant to managing your contacts. This menu is a handy tool for executing various tasks quickly, so it's worth getting familiar with it. With the options menu open, you're now going to look for the choice that says Download Spreadsheet. This is the feature that allows you to export your client list as a CSV file. A CSV, or comma-separated value file, is a simple file format that's widely supported by a range of programs, from Excel to Google Sheets. This makes it incredibly versatile and ideal for managing your data in whatever software you prefer. Selecting the Download Spreadsheet option will initiate the download process. The file should start downloading automatically and will typically be saved in your designated Downloads folder. From there, you can open it up immediately or move it to a different location on your computer for future reference or organization. This process ensures that all your client information is neatly exported from HoneyBook into a manageable file, allowing you to analyze or integrate your data more freely. Having your client list in a CSV format not only makes it easy to read, but also simplifies transferring your client details to other platforms should you need to do so later. That's it. You're now equipped with the knowledge to export your client list from HoneyBook with ease. Regularly updating and saving your client data can be essential for maintaining an up-to-date database for marketing, communication, or other business purposes. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide simplifies your workflow and enhances your client management process. Be sure to keep this video handy for when you need a refresher on this process.